Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how you can check any suspicious web links or files without clicking or opening them. In the world of internet, you might receive different links or files that harm your device. It's better to check the file or link before opening it. So without wasting any more time, let's see how to do this. So click the link in the description box below to reach this website. Once you are here, you can either check for web links or you can upload your suspicious file. To upload the file, you can simply click on the File tab and upload it. After confirming the upload, it will take some time to scan the file. Now if you see the result in green with 0 malicious file, then it's safe to open the file on your computer system. However, if you see the result in red, meaning the file or the link contains a malicious program, then it's not safe to open or click the link. And this is how you can check for any suspicious web links or file to be on the safer side. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.